Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Silo on iOS 14. As you guys know, you cannot download Silo on iOS 14 except if you have Odyssey Rain or it's in the future. You can just jailbreak using Odyssey, but as of now there is no way to download it other than this method. So what you're going to do is download the file in the description, and you're going to open Filza, locate the file, then scroll to this org coolstar silo iPhones arm deb. Click on it, click on install, and then wait. So here it triggered UI cache. Press on done, and then leave the app. Here, as you can see, Silo is on my home screen. I will open Silo, and as you can see, you have the sources, the default Silo sources. These will install with Silo. If you want to add multiple sources, it's here. So I hope you like this video, and see you tomorrow.